Sydney.
Hey, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Kaylin.
And this is the Tale of Two Cells.
The nucleus is an organelle that is found in eukaryotic cells. It is enclosed by a cell membrane and contains most of the cell's genetic material. These genes promote cell functions, making the nucleus the control center of the cell. This is just like the courthouse of a city. The courthouse is where a lot of business is handled, such as acquiring passports, driver's license, and other things. The nucleolus is found in the nucleus. It is mainly the site of ribosome synthesis and assembly. It is made of proteins and RNA. The nucleolus is like school because the purpose of school is to educate students and prepare them for life.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the synthesis of steroid hormones from cholesterol. It contributes to the detoxification of drugs and harmful chemicals in cells of the liver. This is like a rehab center because there you get detoxified of harmful substances in your body. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is found all throughout the cell. It is called rough because it is studded on its outer surface with ribosomes. These ribosomes are responsible for the assembly of many proteins. This is like the church's indicator because they are found all throughout the city. They are also responsible for the assembly of many people.
The Golgi apparatus is found in most eukaryotic cells. It processes and bundles macromolecules like proteins and lipids as they are synthesized within the cell. The Golgi is like the post office because its main function is to sort and package. The mitochondria is found in all eukaryotic cells. It is double membrane bounded. It is also well known as the powerhouse of the cell. It produces most of the cell's ATP, which is chemical energy. It has compartments that carry out specialized functions. The mitochondria is like the BP company in oil because oil is used to produce various types of energy sources.
Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. They convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food for the plant in a process called photosynthesis. Solar panels are like chloroplasts because they use sunlight to be converted into an energy source.
The vacuole is found in all plant and fungi cells and some protist, animal, and bacterial cells. It is a membrane-bound organelle. There are enclosed compartments that are filled with water containing different molecules. It has no basic shape or size. The Tennessee River is like a vacuole because it is a big area filled with water along with waste products from companies dumping into it.
A lysosome is a membrane-bounded organelle found in most animal cells. They are spherical vesicles which contain enzymes that can break down all kinds of biomolecules. The lysosomes also act as a waste disposal system of the cell by digesting unwanted materials in the cytoplasm, both from outside and components inside the cell. The lysosomes are like garbage trucks because they dispose of unwanted materials or waste throughout the city. The cytoskeleton is found in all eukaryotic cells and can be referred to as a network of interlinking filaments and tubules that extend through cytoplasm, from the nucleus to the plasma membrane. The cytoskeleton uses association with extracellular connective tissue to interact with other cells. A highway is a lot like the cytoskeleton, connecting the entire country together in a network of roads.
A centriole is an organelle near the nucleus in animal cells, occurring in pairs and involved in the development of spindle fibers in cell division. A centriole is like a truck with a tow cable attached that retracts and tows cars, like how the centriole sends out the spindle fibers to the chromosome and pulls it to the centriole. The centriole is also like the city border. The border divides where the city begins and ends, like the centriole helps in cell division.
The plasma cell membrane separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment. It selects ions and organic molecules and controls the movement of substances in and out of cells. Its basic function is to protect the cell from its surroundings. Mr. Cooper, the band director, is like the cell membrane because he will only allow band students into the band room. Non-band students will be kicked out. This prevents damage to instruments.